When you are buying products or items from Amazon, you are adding to the cart 1, then 2, then 5, then removing 2, and etc. However, we're taught that if we want to store an item, we use a variable. For example, string item1 equal iPhone. Okay? But what if you want to remove this item, if you want to buy 100 items or 500 items, etc. So it doesn't make sense to create 100 variables, yes? So the solution is the array list. The array list is a container that stores elements or items. For example, it's something like that, like this, okay? So this is the first element, the second, the third, the fourth, and etc. Okay? Okay, let's see how Amazon stores your cart using ArrayList in Java. So you add to your cart the headphones, the wireless mouse, the water bottle, and these items in Java, okay, are stored in the array list. Okay, we will know the syntax now. However, if you look on this side, okay, so the array list contains headphones as the first element, wireless mouse as the second, and etc. Okay, by the way, the array list start from the index 0 and not 1. Okay, so now we're going to create the array list using the Java syntax. First of all, we're going to import the array list from the Java library. We're going to take the array list from the library. Okay, import java.util, the library of the Java. What do you want? The array list. Okay, so we imported the array list. Now array list of type string. Why of type string? Because if you see the names of the items are of type string. Yes, then name the array list. What do you want? List equal new array list, and those. Okay, so we created an empty array list without any elements, without any items. It's something like that. Okay, now how to add items to the array list? It's as simple as it is. List dot add, the name of the array list dot add, between two parentheses, what do you want? For example, the headphones, okay, and semicolon. And same, what do you have? Items, wireless mouse, for example, list dot add wireless mouse. Okay, so now the array list is something like headphones, okay, and the wireless mouse. It's something like that. Okay, and now how to remove items? It's easy. List dot remove. What do you want to remove? For example, the headphones. Just remove the headphones. Okay. Okay, small comment that the list start from index 0. So the index of the first element is 0, the second is 1, and etc. So let's add some element. List dot add okay, for example, iPhone. List dot add, for example, Samsung. Okay, then how to show what are the elements inside the array list, or in other words, what are the products that are stored in the array list? For integer I equals 0, as long as I start from index 0 and as long as I is less than the list dot size. Okay, list dot size is the last element, and because the array list start from 0, so we cannot here write it's less than or equal. Okay, and then I plus plus, increment I by 1. Okay, so what do you want to show? System.out.println the list dot get on I, dot get on the index from 0 to the last index. So run our program to see. Okay, so there are 4 elements: the headphones, the wireless mouse, the iPhone, and the Samsung.